Hello student, welcome to Concept of Chemistry. My name is Swapnali. I have qualified CSIR NET exam 2 times and Maharashtra SET exam. In this video, I will teach you the reactions of arene diazonium salt from the chapter amine. This topic is very important for 12 board exam. Now we can see what is the arene diazonium salt. Arene means Ar, di means 2, azo means nitrogen and salt means X minus. The charge on nitrogen is positive. What is the formula for arene diazonium salt? This is arene, di means 2, azo means nitrogen and X minus plus minus, therefore it is an salt. And we can see the reaction of arene diazonium salt. This salt show two types of reaction. First reaction is by displacement of diazo group means removal of diazo group, and here N2 is removed, and here second reaction is retention of diazo group means diazo group remain in the reaction. It's called retention of diazo group. And another reaction is removal of or displacement of diazo group. Arene diazonium salt show two types of reaction. Now we can see the first reaction is reaction involving displacement of diazo group. Reaction involving the displacement of diazo group means we remove the diazo group. The diazo group means N2 having positively charged, and it is a good leaving group due to the positive charge of nitrogen bonded to aromatic ring. Why it is good leaving group? Because the is positive charge on nitrogen is attached to benzene ring, therefore it is good leaving group. As a result, arene diazonium salt undergo nucleophilic substitution reaction with a variety of nucleophile. It undergo nucleophilic substitution reaction. It undergo nucleophilic substitution reaction. What is meant by nucleophilic substitution reaction? Means this diazo group is substitute, means replaced by. Replaced by what? Replaced by nucleophile. Means here is the nucleophile. Means the N2 group is removed and nucleophile is added. Substitution means replacement. Here we replace N2 by nucleophile. It is called reaction involving displacement of diazo group. Why here N2 is removed? Because N2 is good leaving group. Because the positively charged nitrogen is attached to benzene ring. Why it is good leaving group? Because here N consists of 3 bonds and nitrogen gas is inert gas and it not react with other species, therefore it is good leaving group. And here this diazo group is stabilized by this benzene ring. Why it is stabilized by benzene ring? Because benzene ring consists of 6 electrons and it donates its electron to this positively charged nitrogen. Now we can see the reaction involving the displacement of diazo group. Here first reaction is Sandmeyer reaction. The reaction yield is good. What is meant by Sandmeyer reaction? When arene diazonium salt is react with copper halide in presence of acid, it is called as Sandmeyer reaction. Here the simplest trick is here it is an nucleophilic substitution reaction. Here nucleophile means electron rich species. Here from the acid, here CuCl as a catalyst, the charge on chlorine is negative and charge on hydrogen is positive. Here charge on nitrogen is positive and charge on X is negative. Here this N2 is good leaving group, therefore it is removed, and to the place of nitrogen which group is add? Nucleophilic group is add. And who is nucleophile here? Here Cl is nucleophile. Why Cl is nucleophile? Because charge on Cl is negative. Therefore, it acts as a nucleophile. Therefore, Cl add here. Therefore, we get ArCl. And this X minus react with this H and we get HX as a byproduct. Here also same reaction. The N2 group is removed and negative part is Br is added on Ar, and this H react with this halogen, and nitrogen is good leaving group. First we remove the nitrogen. Here we remove nitrogen, and nucleophile charge on cyanide is negative and charge on potassium is plus. Therefore nucleophile is add to arene ring and we get ArCN, and byproduct is Kx minus. Why the charge on hydrogen is positive and why charge on Cl is negative? Because in periodic table hydrogen present in S block and chlorine present in P block. From left to right, negative charge increases because the electronegativity increases. Therefore charge on Cl is negative. And here the potassium having charge positive because potassium present in S block and cyanide carbon present in P block. Therefore left to right negative charge increases. Now we can see the Gutterman reaction. What is the Gutterman reaction? When arene diazonium salt react with copper powder in presence of HCl. In Sandmeyer reaction we use CuCl, and here we use copper powder in presence of HCl. Here is halogen present in Sandmeyer reaction. Here is a no halogen attached to the copper. It is called Gutterman reaction. Here the negative charge on Cl and positive charge on hydrogen. Here we can see nitrogen is removed because nitrogen is good leaving group, and here nucleophilic substitution means nucleophile added in the place of nitrogen. Therefore arene to the arene Cl is attached, and this X react with this H, we get HX as a byproduct. Here N2 is removed, H is react with X, and Br is added to arene ring because Br having positive negative charge and hydrogen having positive charge. Now we can see arene iodo-arene formation reaction. What is meant by iodo-arene formation reaction? Iodo means iodine attached to arene ring. It's called iodo-arene formation. Starting material is arene diazonium salt. It reacts with Ki. The charge on potassium is positive and charge on iodine is negative because iodine present in P block and potassium present in S block. From left to right, negative charge is increases, and negative charge means nucleophile is added to arene. Therefore we get ARI, N2 is good leaving group, therefore it is removed, and Cl is combined with Ki, and we get Ki, KCl as a byproduct. Now we can see next reaction, mild reduction. Mild reduction means addition of hydrogen. Here N2 group is removed. First N2 is removed and this Cl is combined with this H3PO2 is acid is combined with H plus and we get HCl, and from the acid arene react with the H plus and we get ARH and we get H3PO3. These are the byproduct and product is ARH. Here acid donate H plus, therefore ARH is formed. Next reaction is ArN2 plus Cl minus. Here ethanol is added. Here the oxidation of ethanol take place, and here hydrogen is added to arene. Here the hydrogen from this carbon is removed and hydrogen from the oxygen is removed, and we get here two hydrogen is removed and we get CH3CHO. Here oxidation of ethanol take place and the one H is added to Ar group and we get ARH, byproduct is N2 and other H is combined with this Cl and byproduct is HCl. Next reaction is phenol formation. How the phenol is formed? Phenol is formed with the help of arene diazonium salt. The arene diazonium salt is react with water. The formula of water is HOS. The charge on hydrogen is positive and charge on oxygen is negative. Here negatively part means here nucleophilic substitution and negative charge on OH. Therefore, to the place of nitrogen, OH is added and we get ArOH, and N2 is removed, and this CH is combined with this Cl. The plus minus group is combined and we get HCl. These are the reaction of arene diazonium salt with displacement of N2 group, that is diazo group. Now we can see the reaction involving the retention of diazo group. Retention means the diazo group remain in the product. This reaction is called coupling reaction. Now we can see the reactions. Before that, we can see some theory part. The arene diazonium salt means ArN2 plus CX minus is treated with certain reactive aromatic compounds such as a phenol or aromatic amines. This is the arene diazonium salt react with ArOH means phenol or ArNH2. These are aromatic ring, phenol and amines. It gives azo compound. We get it gives azo compound. These have extended conjugation system. This compound having extended conjugation system. Extended conjugation means single bond, double bond, single bond, double bond, single bond, double bond means alternate double bond, single bond. Extended means extra double bond in conjugation, in which two aromatic rings are joined through azo group. Here two aromatic ring. These are two aromatic ring. This ring is from the arene diazonium salt and this ring is from phenol. These rings are joined through the N double bond N. This reaction is called azo coupling. Here N2 group is coupled with this ArOH or ArN2 is called azo coupling. Here the azo compound are brightly colored and used as a dye. Means this is the azo compound. N double bond N is azo compound, and the azo compound having bright color. Therefore, it used as a dye. Therefore, it used as a dye. This is an example of electrophilic aromatic substitution. Electrophile means the positive charge on the atom is called electrophile. This is called electrophilic aromatic substitution. Here electrophile is, who is electrophile? Arene diazonium salt is electrophile. Why it is a electrophile? Because the positive charge on nitrogen. Therefore, it is an electrophile. And here this electrophile, it is an electrophilic aromatic substitution reaction. Here electrophile is positively charged diazonium ion. Substitution usually occurs the para to the ring activating group. Here where is the substitution take place? This is the phenol ring to the para position, ortho meta para. This is the para position. To the para position of phenol, the substitution of electrophile. Here electrophile is N2 group. This is the N2 group. Means here substitution of electrophile by removal of this para position of hydrogen from the phenol, the N2 is substituted and this H combined with Cl and byproduct is HCl. Here substitution of H is take place by this N2 group. The benzene diazonium salt is react with phenol under mild alkaline OH medium gives para-hydroxyazobenzene as a orange dye. Now we can see this reaction. This is the benzene diazonium chloride. This is the benzene ring. This is the diazo. Di means 2, azo means nitrogen. Chloride is react with phenol in presence of OH minus. Alkaline medium means OH minus. Here this is ortho position, this is meta position, this is the para position. This para position hydrogen is combined with this Cl and we get byproduct is HCl. And here this hydrogen is substituted by this N2 group, and here the positive charge on nitrogen is neutralized when this bond is break and we get here N double bond N and this group. This reaction is called azo coupling. and the name of product is here at para position hydroxy group and azobenzene, that is para hydroxy to the para position hydroxy group, ortho meta para hydroxy, this is azo, this is the benzene, therefore name of compound is para hydroxy azobenzene. Now we can see next reaction, the azo coupling with beta naphthol in NaOH is used as a confirmatory test for primary amine. The azo-coupling reaction is used for the detection of aromatic amines. Primary aromatic amines means ARN2. NH2 is called ARNH2 is called primary amine. Why it is primary amine? Because here NH2 attached to only one aryl group. Therefore, it is called as primary amine. And the azo-coupling, this is the azo-coupling reaction, is used for confirmation test, means whether primary amine present or not, it is confirmed by this azo-coupling reaction. The benzene diazonium chloride is react with aniline. This is the aniline. This is the benzene. This is benzene. This is diazo dimenes 2 nitrogen chloride react with aniline. Here ortho position, here meta, here is the para position. This para position hydrogen is combined with DCl. Byproduct is HCl, and the charge on nitrogen is neutralized by breaking this bond, and we get N double bond N and this aniline ring, and we get this is the para position amino group, this is the para amino, this is azo, this is benzene. This reaction take place under alkaline medium. Hope you like my video. Thank you. Please do not forget to like, subscribe my channel.